Thanks for joining us. At EZIClad, we not only sell products to the building trade and the general public, we also do installations for our many clients. Now, over the years, we've done lots and lots of installations, and every job that we do, we find that people are always amazed the difference it makes to what it was before and what it was afterwards. Now, what I would like to do is introduce some of those customers to you and let them tell the story themselves. And I hope you enjoy these stories. Thank you.
We had a very nice patio, but it was just the ordinary type steel with the see-through window things at the top. And we decided we'd like to improve it. We do quite a lot of entertaining, and I was looking for something to really make it a little bit more classy. So we looked around, saw the EZIClad, and decided to get a quote. Quite happy with the price. It's not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but I like the product. It looks like wood, but it isn't wood, which means we don't have the maintenance that has to be done regularly on it every year to keep it looking so good. So we decided to have it done. It's quite a long process, but the result is wonderful. We're very happy with it. We've had new lights put in, the fans put in, and it's a perfect area for doing entertaining. So I would highly recommend it to anybody who's thinking of improving their outside area. Thank you.
Well, we had our deck area built about 5 years ago, and we went for the more expensive steel finish across the top of the roof, thinking that that would work out without any further finishing, but it actually looked quite unfinished when we had it done. So we had a very clear idea of what we wanted. We wanted a wood-like finish, but we didn't want wood. We didn't want the maintenance of having wood. And we wanted it white, so we scanned the market very well, very thoroughly, and we settled on EZIClad. We thought the product looked great. We thought the finish would be what we wanted, so we contacted EZIClad. It was all very easy. They looked after us very well, and we're very, very pleased with the final product. And we think that the finish is now exactly as we wanted it, so we couldn't be happier. So I highly recommend EZIClad to all of you out there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jenny. We recently decided to upgrade our patio, and we had a look around for options. We wanted a wood look. We found EZIClad and called John, and he came and gave us a quote. We were happy with the price, we were happy with the service, and the patio looks fantastic. In fact, it looks so good we actually put it in our front entrance as well.
Hi, Carol and I had this patio built quite a few years ago, and we were looking at getting some timber roofing put up. We came across an ad, EZIClad, and this PVC, and we decided to go ahead with it. And we're really, really happy with it. It's maintenance free, easy to maintain, and we absolutely love it. And yeah, so I'd recommend it to anybody.